through cleaning with fade-free, cordless convenience. Powered by our Lithium Life battery system, everyday cleanups around your home are quick and easy. Use the crevice tool to get into tight, hard-to-clean spots with ease. Or attach the motorized turbo tool to pick up hair and debris on furniture or stairs. And with a long-running battery and large-capacity dirt cup, you can get the job done with fewer interruptions. Plus, it fits into our Air Cordless 2-in-1, sold separately, for extra versatility to clean carpets and hard floors. The Air Cordless handheld runs on the same technology that powers our full-size vacuums. You can even use the same battery from other Hoover Lithium Life cleaners in this one. And we've protected your purchase with a 2-year limited warranty that covers not only your...
When a young fairy gets her wings, she tends to make a mess of things. She runs and jumps and flies through the air, sprinkling her pixie dust everywhere. Fairies are nimble and fairies are quick, so cleaning up after them can be quite a trick. But a hero has come to save the day, reaching high and low spaces where fairies play. A motorized brush pulls up dirt and debris, and a flexible wand whisks away confetti. With a variety of far-reaching onboard tools, the Multi is prepared for most cleaning duels. Powerful suction vacuums hard-to-reach spaces, and a long-lasting battery cleans multiple places. The Multi's dustbin empties in a flash, with a hands-free feature that goes right in the trash. Fairy life is short and sweet. Bissell's Multi makes memories and keeps your home neat.
And they all lived happily ever after.
In this video, we will be covering what is included with the Vapamore MR50 Steam Vac and the basic operation. The MR50 includes a measuring and filling cup, steam nozzle cleaning tool, squeegee attachment, nylon brush attachment, registration form, instruction manual, warranty card, and an additional replacement filter. Now, we'll go through the basic operation of the MR50. First, remove the water tank cap located at the back. Next, fill with distilled water to the max fill line. Then replace the cap. The MR50 has 3 operating modes. Vacuum mode, to be used for wet or dry spills. Dry steam mode, for light stains or use on delicate materials. And wet steam mode, for heavy or set-in stains. Using in vacuum mode to clean liquid spills, install the squeegee attachment for spills on floors or other hard surfaces. Always extract stains in this order. First, vacuum area using squeegee attachment to remove as much of the spill as possible. Steam area using brush attachment to loosen and saturate the spill. Lastly, re-vacuum the area using the squeegee attachment to remove all the remaining spill. The collection reservoir will need to be emptied once the collected liquid or debris reaches the max fill line. This is done by releasing the locking tab located underneath the MR50 and remove the reservoir. Next, remove the filter and the filter adapter. At this point, you can empty the collection reservoir. You may need to clean the filter by washing it under running water.